fun fact, pizza was actually invented in ancient China, and so when they tossed it up, they just really just like, they threw it, essentially. So yeah, the ancient Chinese from Polio Farms, they had a farm called Polio. They use string cheese to make their za. So yeah. Yeah, so in the 1200 era, the medieval people used they had jars of Prego. Yeah, so in the 1200s, they got the Prego sauce. They got the sauce.
Go cash.
So, a little known fact: Emperor Ching Ho in the 8th year of our Lord, he liked to use a lot of pure protein powder to get lean gains, and he also liked to bowl with them. He liked to roll them on the ground, and all his little Chinese minions would be like, ching ching. Go.
So the Vermont maid over here. Little known fact. I walked to my friend's house, walking to the dad's bedroom. Vermont maid was there with the dad. I was shocked.
So, little known fact: Aunt Jemima actually ran the Underground Railroad, but whenever she wanted to lube up the rails for the train, she would just squirt a little of this stuff on there, make it nice and slick.
It's a little known fact. One time I drank so many of these that I pissed. I pissed for 3 straight hours.
My pizza!
It's mine. I got it. I bought it.
Ah! Well known fact, Albert Einstein lived there.
Mark Twain once said, if the hoe has a nice ass, you gotta smash. You gotta take that chance. Famous quote from Mark Twain. Little known fact.
He also said, kill all the fat.
Bag alert, major bag alert. Major bag alert, major bag alert. Major bag alert, major bag alert. Bag alert, major bag alert. Yeah, I might drop a bag on my toe.
Thank you,
Captain. Woo!
Yes. Let's get to the song now.
I can't get out of the car, I'm trapped! Oh. Got my hat.
Hello. Welcome to Michael's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making pizza smoothie. Let's move on to our.
Yo, get out of here! Get
All right, let's. Oh, fuck you. All right, let's begin. Yeah, I don't know what that's doing there.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
What?
Oh, look at that. That's his eyes.
How aggressive is he?
Well-known facts: lobsters.
Wait, don't get that close.
Lobsters survive in the plains biomes. So right now we find a good plains biome, and we're gonna let them loose to see what happens.
We're gonna let him free now.
We're gonna let.
Apex predator.
Yeah.
Here he goes.
Here he goes.
I told you you can't come up.
Now that's
Yo,
an
what the
apex
fuck?
predator. Hey! Hey! Lobsters actually, their diet mostly consists of grass. You never see this, but they go inside at nighttime, they go outside of the water and they eat grass. And that's why Africa has no grass, because all the lobsters come out of the water and eat all the grass.
Our last meal.
Any last words?
Yeah, last words, buddy? Well, you want a vitamin? Oh.
Love wins.
Amen. Shit. Let's get the pizza out of the oven.
Lower, lower.
It's done. Alright, so now we're gonna make the pizza smoothie. So let's open it up. Oh shit. Yeah, that's mine, sorry. Can you get out of here? It's my area!
Hey!
Sorry.
This is my area!
Hey! Oh, he's leaking, he's leaking.
Put it down now. Put it down.
There's no meat in here.
Whoa!
Stop it. Yo, look at the meat, look at the meat. Yo, look at the meat. Where's the lemon? Where'd the lemon go?
Behind the shell, man.
What?
What's that taste like? What's that taste like?
Lobster?
Break off this, break off the stem, what is that?
Stem?
Alright, we gotta extract the goods.
Stem cell research.
No, where are the scissors?
Crackers, we need a cracker.
Where are the scissors?
Do we have a cracker?
Scissors!
Where's the wipes? Where can I wipe my hands?
Paper towel, paper. We have the first piece of meat. Wait, here it comes.
I already ate the first piece of meat.
Yeah, that was baby. Look, the knuckle.
Well,
right
that's
here.
some big. That's
Oh yeah,
Dip it, dip it, dip it, dip it.
it's perfect.
It's good. Perfect. It's good. So, yeah, we're gonna start off with our first fresh pizza right now. So,
Where are the knives? Where like the big boys?
yeah, stick this in there.
Like
Yeah,
the
nice
big
and
boy
good.
ones.
Oh!
Grab me one.
Second slice. Focus on me! Focus on me! On me! Second
Ow.
slice. Second slice. You stop! You stop! You stop!
Oh, look at that.
Alright.
Look at that.
I'm gonna blend this.
Oh wait.
Alright, let's go. How do you do this?
No!
Go! We need water! We need water! Get water!
Yo, put this in. Put it in.
Get water! Get water!
Water, we need water.
We need water! Hurry up! It's gonna blow! It's gonna blow!
It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow.
It's gonna blow! It's gonna blow! Take it! Whoa! 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 What's going on? Help me! Come on! Fill it up! Fill it up! Fill it up! Fill it up!
More.
Fill it up! Fill it up!
Relay.
Relay! Relay!
Come on,
Go!
give it to him, come on,
Go!
go.
Go! Go! Pour it in! Pour it in! Pour it in!
Fill her up.
Go!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Gotta get all of it.
Good job.
Gotta get all of it.
Alright.
Oh, big boy. We got a big boy now. We got a big boy.
Oh!
Whoa! Let's get a blow.
Yeah, what?
Oh!
It's all going south right now. Okay. Alright. We got the first step. Cup? Anyone cup? I need a cup, please. I need a pour.
It's wet. I just got my socks wet. Ah! You
Oh.
got some secrets? No, you.
It smells good. Smells good. How hot is it?
I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, is that meat?
That's good.
Can you eat this?
Alright. Alright. So
This?
now,
Yeah.
second ingredient, we need oh shit. We need lemon juice. We need lemon juice. It's not working.
You gotta uncap it.
Alright, always uncap the juice. First squeeze a little bit. That's some good juice. Alright.
Look at that lobster though.
Get a little bit in there.
You gotta season the
Garnish
lobster.
it, garnish it,
Garnish.
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 Finish it off. Finishing touch.
Finish it off.
Finish it off.
Alright. So
Garnish, garnish.
No, get the bite. Get a bite of it.
Finish it off.
Get a bite. That's good.
Nothing like it.
That's good. That's good stuff. All right, blender, activate.
Oh yeah, finish it off.
Oh, jeez, that's sprayed.
Finish it off.
Oh, I think it's broke. I think it broke. Oh God.
No, you just gotta put it on the opposite way.
What are you doing, man?
Can you eat this?
All right. Smells good. I'm already liking the texture. All right.
Watch this, boys. Gotta get some good lobster parts in here for that good taste, that gourmet taste. I don't feel like I can film it. Yeah, lobster parts have a kick to them.
Yeah, scrub it.
Alright, boys.
Do you need to scrub? Anyone needs to scrub? Scrub? Need to scrub?
The pills. Yeah. That's not looking good. That's not looking good.
War paint. War paint.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Love wins. Amen.
Yeah, this has been Michael's Kitchen. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And
Yeah,
if you
shut
did,
up.
if
This
you
is my
did-
show
if you
now.
did-
This is my show now.
Stop it!
Like I said, this is Michael's Kitchen.